Today's verse of the day comes from Proverbs chapter 3, verses 5 through 6. Trust in the Lord with all your heart. Do not lean on your own understanding. Seek His will in all you do, and He will show you which path to take. For my protective styles, I typically wash my hair, put on a leave-in conditioner, leave-in cream, and then I blow dry my hair out. And then I will be using the following products to do the protective style. I'm going to use this for the braids, for the base of the braids. And then I'm going to use my two favorite products for the twist. So I'm just using this photo as inspiration. I'm going to tweak this hairstyle just a little bit. All right, let's get started. A V part in the front, and that is where the two-strand twists are in the front. I'm gonna get out my mirror so I get the part right. And then a part directly down the middle. So now I'm gonna separate this section because there's gonna be a total of about maybe 14 to 16 braids on this side. So I'll start there. So they're at a slant. So I'm gonna start back here. Starting with the braiding gel. So as you can see, I've sectioned my hair in 3 sections. I'm going to repeat the same exact steps on the left side of my head as well. And for the sake of time, I'm not going to braid my entire head on camera, but you will see the progression of the hairstyle throughout the video. So what I did was I sectioned my hair in 3 sections, and then I split the 2 sections in the back, making a total of 5 sections. So the parts are slanted, allowing the braids to meet each other. It was easier for me to start on the perimeter of my head first, then work my way to the inside of each of the sections, and do the 2-strand twist last. What I've learned about 2-strand twists is that they last longer by braiding the base of the twist first. I'm not braiding it very tightly, just enough to prevent the twist from puffing up at the root. Okay, so at this point I am connecting those 2-strand twists to form that braid look. My braid is going to come out a lot tighter than hers because my hair is shorter. But once again, I'm only using the photo for inspiration. The base of the braids are going to connect, kind of giving a halo look in the back. So I started my hair at about 9 o'clock at night and I was done at about 11:30. So this took me about 2.5 hours to do. It was a little longer than I anticipated, but I'm pleased with the results. All right, so it's the next morning and this is my finished look. If you like what you saw in this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thank you guys for watching. Bye. I am learning to love my natural hair at every stage of the journey. How's your natural hair journey going?